98% of people get a song stuck in their head at least once a week. Not because the song is good, not because you like it. Your brain locks onto it, loops it, and won't let go. And most of the time, you don't even know why it started. The obvious explanation is catchiness, repetitive lyrics, a simple melody that drills itself into your head. That's what most people believe. It sounds logical, but it doesn't explain why the same song gets stuck in you, not your friend, or why a track you hate loops harder than one you love, or why it starts at 2 a.m. when you haven't heard music in hours. Catchiness isn't the mechanism. It's just a red flag that points to the real one. Before anything else, earworm is a translation of the German word ohrwurm. It means something that burrows in and won't leave. There is no actual worm. This matters because the burrowing metaphor is exactly right, just not for the reason people think. Your brain runs on prediction. Every moment, it's building a model of what comes next in a conversation, a room, a song. When you hear a melody, your auditory cortex, the part of your brain that processes sound, doesn't just receive it, it predicts the next note before it arrives. When the song ends, before the resolution, the prediction never gets confirmed. Your brain flags the sequence as an open task, and open tasks bother it. This is the Zeigarnik effect, the brain's tendency to keep unfinished things active in memory. It's why you remember incomplete to-do lists better than finished ones, why an argument you didn't resolve keeps replaying hours later. Your brain does the same thing to a song fragment. It keeps the loop running, trying to reach the note it's waiting for. Think of it like a loading bar that freezes at 97%. The system already allocated resources for the job. It won't release them until it gets a signal that the task is done. You skip a song before it ends. The loading bar freezes. You hear a jingle, but not its final chord. The loading bar freezes. The melody keeps playing in your head because your brain is still waiting for the download to complete. Here's what makes this stranger. The same song plays in a room. 5 people hear it. 2 of them get it stuck. 3 don't. This isn't random. People with musical training get earworms more often. Their auditory cortex builds more detailed predictions, so the gap when a resolution is missing feels sharper. People who are tired or stressed get them more. A fatigued brain has less control over which loops it keeps running. And people who are doing routine, low-focus tasks, washing dishes, walking, get them most. When your mind isn't occupied, the open loop gets more airtime. So what actually stops it? The most reliable method is the one your brain wants anyway. Finish the song, play it to the end. A full, resolved ending tells your auditory cortex, task complete, loop closed, resources released. This works better than distraction. Distraction pauses the loop. Resolution ends it. The second method, replace the loop with a different cognitive task that demands language. Reading out loud, solving a puzzle, doing mental arithmetic. Your working memory can't run a verbal task and a music loop simultaneously. One crowds out the other. Chewing gum works for the same reason. The jaw movement interferes with your inner voice, which the brain uses to rehearse the loop. Here's what's actually happening every time a song gets stuck. Your brain isn't malfunctioning, it's doing its job. It started a pattern. It wants to finish it. Every replay is the brain asking a question it hasn't gotten an answer to yet. The earworm isn't the problem. The unfinished loop is. The fastest way to stop a song from looping in your head is to hear it end. Because your brain isn't obsessed with the melody. It's obsessed with the unfinished business. If this surprised you, subscribe. We post a new body mystery every day.